project.
Hi folks, this is Greg with KDK Sales. I want you to look at this really nice Thunder Creek SLT fuel trailer here today. This trailer is not in our inventory. I wish it could be. I think it's already allocated or a demo unit. But I want to show you the possibilities that could exist out there for whatever your operation needs. Here with me today is Stephen Isle, my Thunder Creek rep, and I'm going to let him take it away here and kind of give you just a real quick rundown of this trailer.
Yeah, so what we have here is our Service and Lube trailer. It's 440 gallons of capacity. It's got fresh oils. It's got 3 fresh oils on it with pneumatic pumps, all in the hose reels here in this compartment. Pumps are on the opposite side. We've got a recapture system so you can drain your oil in the field, service that equipment without bringing it back and forth. You can do all this at a fraction of the cost of a typical Service and Lube truck. This one's also outfitted with our closed loop DEF system up here in the front. We've got a few more smaller quantity auxiliary oils where you can put antifreeze or something like that in it. It's got electric hydraulic jack. It's got a compressor in the rear and also a service light tower. This unit is in the territory. As Greg mentioned, it is my demo. If you'd like to see it, we'd be more than happy to bring it out and show it to you.
All right, thanks Stephen. Now what everybody's going to ask is, what does something like this retail for and why is it worth it?
They're very customizable. So, you know, you kind of pick what fluids you want, you know, what you're handling primarily in the field, and that's going to dictate the price. But to give you a rough range, you're going to be somewhere in that $40,000 to $60,000 range on a unit like this. And if you've ever priced a Service and Lube truck body, yeah, you're going to be able to do this for a fraction of the cost. The also nice thing that I'm getting from a lot of our contractors that are buying this, or even dealerships that are using it, is that they can have anybody pull this typically with their service truck, so then they've got all their tools there to work on something. If when they're doing a PM, if they find a breakdown, you know, they can get in there and go ahead and fix it and not have to stop and go get a different truck.
You bet. Folks, lots of possibilities out there for you. Like Stephen said, these are really modular and really customizable. We'd be happy to quote one for you. Give us a call anytime, 319-461-7646. And thank you to the folks at Thunder Creek for bringing this one by today to look at.